Today is Thursday. We had a news here. I took like three trade today, and two were a loss and one was a win. I got. Let me explain the trade first. How I took the trade and why I took the trade. There were zones here like this, like this, like this, right? There were zones, and I was expecting things to go up. I know. I was on 4 hour. Things were going down. No, you can see it's totally a good setup. Okay, let me show you where I took the trade. I forgot where I took the trade. Okay, one trade was here, taken here. Where on this candle, I think. It's taken on this 4 hour. No. Okay, one was taken on the start of the so let me show you what was the idea here. The idea behind the trade was there was a range and the market was like this. Alright, let me say this 4 hour. What the 4 hour did, the 4 hour what basically did was he broke the high, and he broke the top of that dozy 4 hour candle. He came down, gave sell entry, and went up, and it went up to this point where, like, if people were on a sell here, then probably the stops will be here, right? And stops will be here. I don't know what best and what I took this trade. Best in what I took this trade. It's taken here on this candle. Oh, I got it. Why I took this trade. Alright, let me explain why I took this trade. Look at this 1 hour. Okay, what this 1 hour did. The 1 hour broke the low. Alright, broke the low. Okay, broke the low, get the sell entry, and the stops were here, right? 1 hour high, and it went up on the same 1 hour. It took out the stops and it started to come down. That was my, and I took a sell here as the 1 hour was coming down, and my take profit was like this. Okay, since the 4 hour bias was kind of bearish, I took sell like this. Okay, it was a kind of 1:2 risk to reward ratio, but that thing didn't work out because this is the game of probability. We should not be sure that what's gonna happen. Okay, and it started consolidating, and what happened here was it broke the high. Okay, it broke the high. It went, this was a news candle. It went up so much. It went up so much, like, and I went in 1 minute, right? I went in 1 minute. There was zone. It broke the zone, and this was a kind of resistance converting into support, right? This was also a zone, and it formed, and anything forming a bullish entry here would be a entry for me to this next level. All right, so I took a trade here, right? like this was the resistance forming a support. I took a trade on the break of this, and my stops was just like below this traders, and I should have waited till here, but you know, my habit, I couldn't hold much. I hold for 1, 2, 3, 4 minute, and I sold that thing. That's a very bad way to trade, by the way. And here was another kind of zone here. My first target was here. Like this, my target was like this, but I don't know why I took that shit. It always happens to me. And another trade was here on buys. Okay, what was the idea behind it? Was I was expecting sales. Okay, sales from here to here, since since the market has come up this far, this top, and I'm expecting a little retracement to the zones. As for our also given the trade, right? Given the trade here, bullish trade and stops where it might be here. So the idea was that, but look what happened. 30-minute close above this zone, right? And the 5 minute also showed like that. It went up and it retested and it was going up, right? And I took a trade here. I took a trade in this zone, just on the edge, like just on the top. I took the buy. My stops were just below this, below 30-minute candle. So I got like 20 30 pips, 20 pips, and got stopped out. And today was basically a break-even trade. On overall weekly, I'm in profit like 40 pips, I think. Okay, I'm in profit in 40 pips, something like that. So tomorrow is Friday. Let's hope for a good trade tomorrow. And loss in trading is normal, dude, but it should not be a great loss. Okay, it should be small. Your profit chart should not be like this. Tang 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 tang. That's not consistency, alright? Your profit should be like tang 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 or tang 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 tang. Okay, it should be like this, not like this. That's right. That is a new trader, and this is a profitable, experienced, and consistent trader. Okay, that's what I want to be. Not It's pretty much. It's okay, guys. This was for today. Let's hunt this market tomorrow. Alright, guys. Good night.